Hey, are you looking for a job? Do you need some extra money? I have something for you. Have you heard about Zenjob? Have you? No. Let me tell you what it is. You might be like, for a job. Zenjob, Zenjob, Zenjob. I think it's just app which provides flexible jobs that now works in Germany and Netherlands. So flexible jobs, which means like jobs such as for a day, for a week, for a month. It depends, of course, on the job itself and on contract. Maybe have you heard about the series from YouTube originals, Liz on Demand, starring by Liz Kosh. She's a popular entertainer. Have you heard about that? No? I think this idea of app has been for a while, as you say. But anyway, and one fact I just want to say, I googled the name Zenjob. I mean, not Zenjob, I mean Zen. What is? I was curious about that. I was curious why this company called themselves in that specific way. So, and I just found out that Zen means a philosophy about freedom, which comes from Japanese culture. Yeah, interesting. Back to the topic, let's talk about more details. First of all, you have to install the app, and after that you have to go through the negotiation. To be honest, they ask more docs and facts than in usual app for security purposes, yes, because they want to know that you're an actual human being and you are able to work. So, what I think is the most popular question: what kind of jobs do you have to expect? One of the popular one, it's bike rider, delivery, food delivery, for example, from gorillas. Actually, they pay certain euro for hour. That's great, to be honest. It's more than 4 euro above the lowest hourly average in Germany. So hourly average, it's 9.50 probably. Yeah, I don't know. Probably it is. Yeah, that's great. And there are other jobs like warehouse right now for me available. Warehouse worker, and there are trainings too, for example. For some jobs you have to have a certificate. For example, it's one of them called Gesundheitszeugnis, and it's just work in restaurant, cafe, and something like that, And by the way, there is actually a bonus in this month. If you want to work more than 50 days, you will get bonus 200, but if you do jobs like bike riding, you will get extra 100 euro. That's great, isn't it? Yeah, and there are a lot of bonuses. You have to provide more documents. You will get achievements center. You will get like stars, etc. How you did it work. And one of the coolest things, just click the button. You will get the contract, and tomorrow you are able to work there. Always there is a description to the job where you have to have some specific shoes for job, for example, warehouse, or the app for the food delivery, etc. But easy, for example, food delivery will be giving you a bike. You don't have to worry about that. That's crazy. It's crazy. I mean, it's crazy cool. Let's talk about my experiences. By the way, I was talking about my work experience in Germany. There will be a link to it. And I was talking about the railway station, and I was talking a little bit about Zenjob, but that video I wasn't sharing my experiences. But right now I have 2 experiences. I worked twice. As the first was a bike rider. I just worked for 5 hours, and it was fine. I didn't like it. It's not for me, a bike rider. I mean, it's you have to drive alongside the autos, and you have to always on the way. It's not what I really like, and it was cold outside. So, and I just earned about 70 euro, and so the first half check I got after a day, another half check plus taxes. Don't forget about taxes. I think under the 100 euro you will get pay. I don't know, 5% maybe. I think so. Zenjob gets its commission too. I don't know about the commission. The documents you can read it, etc. And the second half check I got in a couple weeks, yeah, in months probably too. The other one, I worked as a warehouse worker, and I worked 8 hours about with power 30 minutes, and it was about 100 euro. And I just first half I got after a day, another half health payment I got in a month, yeah, about, just not in a month, 3 weeks about. And I just paid for taxes 15 euro. So and then I got only 85 about euro, yeah, something like that. And then I just want to say thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it, you get all the information you needed. And yeah, have a great day. Bye.